Hello guys, my name is Essen and I'm here with another video in which I'm going to show you another tool which can help you in automating your real estate business. So if for example you are in a situation that you want to track your leads which are coming from website or from your social media marketing, you want to identify that how much leads are generating from your website and how much leads are generating from your email campaign or SMS campaign or from your social media marketing. So you want to track all those things. How will you do that? CallRail is a tool that can help you with this. What you can do with this is that you can buy multiple numbers, multiple phone numbers, and you can assign a particular phone number to a particular campaign. So if, for example, for social media marketing, I have purchased a number. So that number will be for social media marketing. And once you will receive a call on that number, you will be easily able to identify that this call received from that number. And this it means that your social media marketing is working fine. So here is the graph. Here is the graph which you can see here. You can see all the communication which is done in the past days. It's a new test account, so right now there is not a lot of communication showing here. And you can see all the calls which are done here, and you can see that they came to this particular tracking number. This was the time once call was received, and if you have a communication with that caller, then you will also be having a recording available. Okay, and similarly you can see the contact details for that caller. And then you can do different things. There are workflows that you can build, and then in that way you can move this call details to different CRM systems, and it can be connected with different softwares, and the softwares with whom it can be connected I can show you here. So you can connect it with Google Analytics, you can connect it with WordPress, Slack, Salesforce, Wix website, WordPress website, Facebook, HubSpot can be connected here. And you can see that you have different options available on CallRail to connect it with different softwares. And the most beautiful thing is that you have this webhook option. It means that it can be connected with any software which has API available. So if you have to purchase a new number, then you can go to the tracking section. I already purchased a number. So if you click on create number and you fill all the information, you can purchase a number there. And right now I have purchased a lot of numbers, but they are disabled. There is one number which is active here. And here is the call flow section. You can create some workflows. You can build like IVR functionality into CallRail, so that if this call is received, you can forward it to some to any other number. So this is the first part. You can do a lot of things with CallRail. Not just you can track your calls, you can also track your SMS which will be received on your CallRail number. They will also be showing there. And next thing is that you can also track your web forms. You can create some web forms on CallRail. You can display them on different websites, and then you can track that how much leads are generating from those web forms. So this functionality is also available in CallRail. And now I will be talking about its integration with other softwares. For now I will be showing you how the integration of CallRail with Podio works. So I have already have a lead which is generated by the previous calls that I made using CallRail. So they are showing here. Every time a new call receives, a new entry comes into Seller Lead app. It automatically generates here. First it goes to here, then it moves to the Seller Lead app, because Seller Lead app is the app where qualified leads are existing. So it means that you received a call, it means that this is a qualified lead, so automatically a new entry will be generated here. You can also disable generating leads into Seller Lead app. There is a setting available for that. In that case, all the calls will be staying here. You can see them here in the incoming calls app, and then you can, if you want to, you can generate a lead based on those call details and more conversation. So here is the lead which is generated by calling on CallRail number, and here it looks like, you can see that seller first name is moved, seller full name, primary phone number, email address, all these details are moved here. and after that its automatically status is selected as new lead added to the seller lead app. So you can track in future that on which stage this lead is. So here is the communication log which is built, and you can see that if you will do some communication on this lead, if you will send an SMS or do things like that, then this will be showing in the communication section. And similarly you can make you can also make SMS, you can send SMS to the lead, and you can do all these things on these numbers. So I, for SMS I will be using a US number. On this lead there was not a US number, so I will be trying a US number because this is for a US based client. So I will try to send a message on US based number. This lead does not contain a number. uh, so here is the lead, and it has a US based number, you can see that here. And in the communication log section, communication log is built. If I send a message to this lead, then let's see that a message is sent or not, and if communication log is updated or not. So this is the way. If you want to use your call rail number for sending messages, then you can send messages in this way. In the comment section you will type SMS colon and then test SMS, so automatically this message will be delivered to the lead, on this number, and communication log will also be created. So the message will be delivered on this number, and communication log, we will also see that communication log is built or not. So it takes some time because there are some backend workflows which are working once you type this text into comment. So you can see that communication log is built, and also the it's all the activity of is also showing in the comment section. So this communication log can indicate that how much messages you sent in the past. It's showing that what was the time of sending message, either it was an outgoing SMS or incoming. And similarly it will also show you that what number was used for this. So this is the video uh, which is for you to help you how to show you that how this integration works. And if you want to hire us for implementing a CallRail and Podio integration, then we are also available for that. And if you want to sign up for this software, then link for that is also given in the bottom. You will get some discount by signing up with this. So thank you very much. Thank you.